In this video, I will show you how to add Instagram link to TikTok. So to get started, go ahead and open TikTok on your device. And then once you're on your TikTok account, go ahead and head over into your profile. So you can do that by clicking on that profile button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you're on your profile, go ahead and click on this edit profile button below your profile name. So click on that edit profile button, and then from here click on the links section. So to be able to add links, click on that add button at the right side of the links section. So in here you can go ahead and click on Instagram, and then this will redirect you into a browser where you'll need to sign into your Instagram account. So go ahead and sign into your account, and once you have signed into your account, you can go ahead and confirm the connection between your TikTok account and your Instagram account. And that's basically how you can add Instagram link to TikTok.